Getting your prompts right is fundamental to getting the most out of the AI tools that are out there. But it's not always easy, and especially if you're in a business where time is pressured, you want to do it in a quick way. A lot of people offer prompt packs, but there's a quick hack that I've just discovered that allows you to generate prompts just from the words that you write in a natural fashion. Pretty much a brain dump. But what it'll do is it'll turn that brain dump into a meaningful, well-structured prompt that you can paste into any AI service that you choose to use. Head over to console.anthropic.com. If you're a business, you're going to want to spend the $25 to get you some credit to use this tool. Head over to generate a prompt and start to talk about the challenges that you've got and what you want to get out of your AI. What I've done here is just written down what's on my mind. I've done no structure, nothing like that. I just said I feel like I'm spending lots of time on emails. I need a bit of help. Quite vague, pretty loose. I also feel I've not got a good structure for choosing what bets I go with, i.e. what kind of business initiatives I push forward to try and make more money. And then also, I'm not very good at measuring the outcome from any of those bets to figure out whether it worked or it didn't. What I really want is that voice in my ear to help me. So I haven't put anything special in there. I'm just going to click generate. What I've got back is a prompt that I can cut and paste and use in any AI engine or chat that I like. One thing to note is you'll see these brackets here. This is where I can put information in. If you're in Claude, you can click continue and use its workbench to actually dynamically create that information. If you're just pasting this into Copilot, paste it in, fill these pieces in. This is me and my business and my challenges. Put as much information in there as I can. The rest of it, just copy paste. Look for any other elements where I need to add information. You'll notice them down here. And click submit on whatever engine that you choose as your AI model. If I click continue here, what I get is a workbench set up with that prompt that I can click run on, and I can put my user context. You can see here what it's done is it's inserted that text into my user context, and when I click run, it's going to take all of that and process a response. That's the piece that you write in when you're copy pasting this to any other AI system. And what I've got back is a decent, solid response from that prompt that I didn't have to write. It's worth experimenting with these to create yourself a pack of prompts that can help you time and time again, maybe focus on specific issues. Give it a go. Let me know how you get on.